Hi everybody, in this lesson we will learn how to move the timeline indicator. Moving the timeline indicator is very important to work faster, to move between the frames of animation. In fact, if you click the left or right arrow, you move the layer, not the timeline indicator, and also up and down. How can we move the timeline indicator? This is very simple. We can move. Let's expand the timeline magnification. If we want to move one frame forward, you can press page down. If you want to move one frame backward, you can click page up. If you want to move 10 frames up, forward, you can press shift page down. If you want to move 10 frames backward, you can click shift page up. You can also benefit from I/O shortcuts to quickly move between the beginning of the layer and to move to the end of the layer. I moves to the beginning of the layer, O moves to the end of the layer. This can be very helpful while working and animating. That's it. Thank you.